Hello, grade 5. This is part 3 of the review video, I guess, for Unit 1 for math. I'm sorry I had to make 3 parts. I'm still kind of learning how to make good videos. So I am also learning too, so I hope you are being patient with me. And if you are, thank you very much. And I do also hope that this video, even though it may not be the most perfect video you've ever watched, I do hope that it is kind of helping you review a little bit, at least, about the things we covered in Unit 1 for our math class. Okay, I don't want to waste any more of your time. So basically, the last thing I wanted to talk about regarding Unit 1 for math is, at the end of Part 2, I talked about, what happens when we multiply base 10 decimal numbers, right? Like 0.1 or I should say tenths or hundredths or 1,000th. Okay, when you multiply those numbers to a number, what happens? And basically the decimal point moves to the right or left. It moves to the left. So again, simple example was for example 5,690 times 0.01. 5,690. Where is the decimal place? The invisible decimal where is the decimal point? The invisible decimal point? It's right here, right? Whoops, if it lets me put the point right there. Okay, yep. Now, or actually maybe it's better if I let me erase. It's not letting me erase. Hold on, let's try that again. How about now? Yep, it's letting me erase. Okay, cool. Okay, so 5,690. Okay, where is that invisible decimal point? It's right here. Whoops, that's a pretty ugly decimal point there. Okay, let me draw a big, or I could just change it so it looks better. Oops. Okay. Oops. How's that? Alright, better. Okay, 5,690. Okay, and we're multiplying that by 0.01 or 100ths. What actually happens is we move the decimal point how many places to the left? Okay, 2, right? 1, 2. So the answer would be 56.9 or 56 and 9/10. Okay, because we don't really need to worry about that 0, right? Because in reality there's actually a bunch of zeros here, but we just don't worry about it. Okay, so again the answer would be 56 and 9/10. And you remember I was talking about at the end of part 2, there's a relationship between how many zeros there are in the decimal, in the base 10 decimal number, and how many place to the right you move the decimal point. Okay, so I'm going to clear that. Now there are 2 ways you can show, or you can, basically you can show the question of multiplying a base 10 decimal number to a number. What do I mean by that? Well, let me write it on the screen. So 596 times 0.01 or 100th is the same as 596, or sorry, hold on, did make a mistake. Is the same thing as 1 over 100 of 596. Okay. Now, why are they the same? Because, I'm going to change the color here, these two actually mean the same thing. Okay. 0.01 or 100 means if there were 100 pieces of something, okay, and that 100 piece or parts represents 1. For example, imagine a piece of paper, okay, one piece of paper, and you cut it into 100 equal parts. Okay, 1 over 100 means one of that piece, right? Okay, one part of that 100 piece, which altogether represents 1. Okay, and 0.01 or 100th actually represents the same thing, because how many 100ths do you need to make 1? Well, the answer is you need 100 100ths to make 1, right? So 100th is 1 out of that 100 parts you need to make 1. So 0.01 and 1 over 100 actually means the same thing. Okay, so 596 times 100th, and we can say 1 over 100, or we can actually read this 100th. Okay, we can actually read that 100th of 596. We are actually trying to solve the same question. We are talking about the exact same problem. And that's the last thing I wanted to kind of remind you guys about. Okay, that's another thing I do want you guys to understand regarding multiplying, I guess, base 10 decimal numbers to any number. Okay, well, finally I finished talking about all the things I kind of wanted to talk about the things we learned in Unit 1 for our math. Again, I'm very sorry that this video became quite lengthy. I will try to make it shorter next time. Again, I am learning how to make good support videos or education videos. So I will continue to try my best, and I hope I can get better. But again, the reason why I am making these videos is to help you guys review and also learn. Okay, so I hope that I'm able to achieve those two goals, and I hope that I am able to help you guys and support you guys. So please feel free to give me any comments when you see me at school. Positive or negative comments, both are very much welcome. So, okay? Alright, well again, thank you so much for listening, and I will see you later. Goodbye.